Today, I serve as a teacher helping others find theirs. But my journey from the desk to podium taught me one vital truth. The heartbeat of Pateros Catholic School doesn't just live in one classroom, it lives in every heart that walks through our gates. The ideal PCS employee, whether teaching at the board or serving behind the scenes, is a living bridge between our community and our divine calling. We are a Catholic institution, which means our job is not just a mere career, it is a divine calling. The ideal PCS employee is a mentor who sparks intellectual wonder, the staff member who radiates Christ-like hospitality, and the colleague who treats every administrative task as an act of prayer. We are not just staffs, we are stewards. We are not just employees, we are witnesses. Because when we unite our diverse talents under one faith-filled mission, we start shaping eternity. At Pateros Catholic School, we do not just teach the future, we build a kingdom. And that is a legacy worth serving every single day. Thank you.